Hello my friend, have you ever seen such a sculpture? It is carved from pure natural black marble. The clothes and skin are treated with different surface treatments to create different colors. Do you like this setup? Four Seasons God sculptures. The Four Seasons God has a graceful figure and a peaceful expression. It can be placed indoors or outdoors, in a private garden or wedding decoration venue. No matter where it is placed, it is unique landscape. This set of Four Seasons God is very cheap. If you want it, please feel free to contact JSBS. The end factory wholesale price is waiting for you. Do not miss this set of amazing sculpture.